Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. Welcome to lecture number 6 video. Since the last two classes I have been teaching you the same topic named features of computer system. Whatever I taught in my last two lecture videos, just I revise for you, as well as I continue, as well as I complete the class for you. Why the machines have become so popular? Computer systems have become so popular. Why do you know? Because machines will work with very high speed. Machines are having the capability to execute millions of instructions per second or billions of instructions per second. In terms of megahertz or gigahertz, we are going to measure the speed of a computer system. That is what we discussed in the last video. Speed. Computers have become so popular because of this characteristic. Computers work with very high speed. As well as in the last video we studied why the machines have become so popular. Machines are having high storage capacity. High storage capacity means in computer's memory you can store huge amount of data in terms of kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte of data can be stored in computer secondary memory. That is what we studied. We studied units of computer's memory, as well as what do you mean by 0 for machine, what do you mean by 1 for machine, how the data will be stored in machine level language. This is what we studied in the last lecture we discussed. 65, capital A for us is nothing but for machine 65. 65 is the ASCII value, and to convert this one into low level language or binary language, divide that one by 2, note down the reminders, from bottom to top. We get this is the binary equivalent of A. Like this the data will be stored in computer secondary memory. Different decoding and encoding techniques are there. That is what machines have become so popular because of high storage capacity. Next one is all the machines will give us accurate results. 99% of time all softwares are going to give us accurate results. Because of these characteristics machines have become so popular. But that accuracy depends on programmer. If you write wrong program, then we get wrong result. That is what we discussed in the previous class. Now this is a program. We allocate 3 memories, we clear the screen, we read 2 values, we make the sum, we print. Instead of writing n1 plus n2, if I write n1 minus n2, if I enter the inputs like 7 and 3, I get addition is how much? 4, because minus I did here, subtraction. Means machine is giving us wrong result like addition is 4. Why the machine is giving wrong result? Because the written program is wrong one. This is called logical error. Machine is not responsible for logical error. If you miss semicolon, machine will tell you that missing semicolon. Compiler will tell you. This is called syntax error. But if you do logical mistakes like n1 into n2, it will multiply. Machine is not responsible for it. Who is responsible? Programmer is responsible. If we give wrong instructions, machine will do the wrong thing. That is what? That means accuracy of the developed software depends on the programmer. That is what we studied till today. Next, why the machines have become so popular? Because of reliability characteristics. Reliability means what do you know? Even though the computer uses electricity to give us correct results, it gives correct results only. A computer produces consistent correct results with no errors because programmers are intelligent. Most of the computer generated errors are due to incorrect instructions by the programmer. Even though most of the time it is all these machines are trustworthy machines, most of the developers will develop correct software to generate correct results, to give accurate results to the user. This is what we call reliability feature. Next one is versatility. Machines have become so popular because of versatility characteristics. Versatility means what do you know? Machines are used in almost all the area. In the field of banking we use, in the field of education we use, in the field of medical we use, for research purpose we use, and in schools we use, and in colleges we use, for entertainment we use. Almost in all the fields computers are used today. This characteristic is called as versatility. Next one is diligence. Diligence means, what do you know? And we are the human beings, we feel tiredness if we work continuously. After some hours of continuous working, we feel tired. Yes or no? We take rest. But machines will not like that. Machines works continuous. Machine will not tell you that I am tired, please turn off me. That is another good characteristic of a computer. Diligence. Machines do not have human characteristics like fatigueness. Computers can perform repetitive calculations any number of times with patience. There is nothing but it is having patience. It is not having patience. That is a machine. Number of times without any error with the same accuracy. That is, computers do not suffer from human characteristics like tiredness, fatigue, lack of concentration, etc. Because of these characteristics, machines have become so popular. Last good characteristic is very interesting. Programmability. Oh, very interesting. We can assign our work to a computer. We cannot assign our work to television. We cannot assign our work to DVD, even though those are electronic devices. But for computer, you can assign your work only by writing a program. Whatever the program you write, accordingly it works. Allocated the memory, screen has been cleared, displayed the message, reading two values, making the sum, displayed the result. Wait, I assigned my work only to a machine. Dear computer, read two values, make the sum and display it back. This is called as programmability feature. Programmers can write their own programs by using high-level programming languages like C language you can use, or you can use a C++, or you can use Python. Yes or no? A number of programming languages are available. You can use Python, HTML, SQL, okay, C#. A number of languages you can use to write your own program and run it. These are all good characteristics of computer system. Machines have become so popular because of these many good characteristics. Use this knowledge while answering the questions in Viva Voce, in computer programming lab, or during interview, or in the written examination. If you won't get that question on features of computer system, while answering other questions, use this knowledge so that quantity as well as quality of your answer can increase, so that you can get good marks. Bright future is waiting for you. Thank you. This is what all about features of computer system. One more small topic in today's class. What is that? Do you know? What are the drawbacks of computer, sir? You told us only the advantages, features, good features you told. What are the major limitations or disadvantages of computer system? That one we discuss it for 3 minutes. Now that one we discuss for another 3 minutes. First one is garbage in, garbage out. Wrong instructions, wrong result. That is the major drawback. If I tell the machine to do wrong things, machine will do it. That is what we discussed in the last video. That is called as computer virus. Computer virus is also a program. Computer virus is also a program, but that will not do any fruitful work. Instead, it spoils something from the computer because of wrong instructions. That is what the major drawback with computer. Garbage in, garbage out. An incorrect input data or incorrect instruction will generate incorrect result. Lack of common sense. Machines do not have common sense. If you give common sense to a machine, then you are the researcher and you will become a scientist. That is what the objective of artificial intelligence, machine learning branch students. You have to give artificial intelligence to the machine so that machine can take its own decisions by giving some common sense. That is what we call common sense. Machines do not have common sense, but we are trying our level best to give common sense to a computer system. That's why another drawback of limitations or disadvantages of a computer system is that lack of common sense. One more drawback, high investment for software. We need more money to purchase the software. We need less money to purchase the hardware. Invest only once to purchase the hardware. In order to you need to renew the software for every year. You have to pay more. high investment for software, whereas less investment is there for hardware. This is what all about good characteristics of computer system as well as limitations or disadvantages of computer system. That's all. That means in today's class I taught you features of computer system. In today's class only what I do you know, I teach you one more topic named applications. Applications means what? Uses. Applications means uses. Uses of computer system. Uses of computer system. Usually we won't get questions on this topic in exam, but you need to have the knowledge. Just I revise in just few minutes. Computers are used where? In engineering field. Computers are used by engineers to design and implement new designs by using different application software like Solid Edge. All of you are engineering student. In the next semester you learn Solid Edge software to draw the engineering drawings. I will show you that software now. Solid Edge. In olden days engineering students were using mini drafter and T-square set and drawing sheet to draw engineering drawings. See, can you see these things? You can see here these are all mini drafter. This is called as mini drafter. Drawing sheet has been attached to drawing board. When I was a student I used to use all these things, but today no one is using this mini drafter, T-square set and everything. These traditional tools are replaced by a Solid Edge software introduced by VTU. Solid Edge is a software. You can see here. This is what the Solid Edge software. Here line command is there. Line command helps us to draw the line, and circle command helps us to draw the circles. See here, such drawings we are going to draw not on sheets. We are using the software. On the software n number of tools will be there. We design everything. If everything fine, then the real manufacturing starts. They won't start the manufacturing of particular product directly. First what they do, they are going to design with the help of softwares. Now in the next time you are going to learn Solid Edge. Okay, there you are drawing the front view, top view, backside view. Simple example I will show you. Views. Okay, you can see. Okay, there are different views of the same product. Okay, if you see this one from the left side, this one we are getting. This is the cross section of that component. Okay, means such drawings you are going to draw in computer aided engineering. This is what the bolt, head of the bolt. This is what the cross section. Such drawings you need to draw by using Solid Edge software. Yeah, means Solid Edge. AutoCAD. Civil engineers, can you imagine civil engineering without AutoCAD software? Oh, it is very difficult. AutoCAD is used by civil engineers. So you can draw the drawings. 2D drawings we can draw, and 3-dimensional drawings we can draw with the help of AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, n number of built-in commands are available. Use those commands and you can draw it. That is what the use of AutoCAD software. If you belongs to mechanical engineering and civil engineering, and anyhow you are going to learn the AutoCAD in your last semester. You can see the plan of a building, top view. Okay, you can see 3D. All these things can be drawn in AutoCAD. AutoCAD 2018 means in the field of engineering we use AutoCAD, ANSYS, ProV, CAD/CAM software, etc. In the field of engineering we use all these things. And science and research. Computers are actively used by scientists and researchers for the purpose of research and development. Weather monitoring and forecasting will be done by machines, by supercomputers. I will search here. Weather report by supercomputers. Okay, see here. These are all supercomputers. These are all supercomputers. See how many processors and everything. Massive supercomputer upgradation means these machines will process continuously, because of which in new television news we get the weather report. Oh, you need to know list of latest supercomputers. Latest supercomputers as on 15/1/2021. Okay, today's date 15th January. Okay, see all the 5 fastest supercomputers in the world. Okay, the 5 fastest supercomputers in the world. Okay, now I'm working with the internet and spread see here. One is this is designed by China. Okay, one more is China's fourth, US, Sumit. Okay, no problem. Japan. These are all supercomputers. Yeah, I'll show you the image computers from NASA so that you can understand. Like this, you need to make the best utilization of computers, a smartphone from your internet. Okay, see here in the NASA machines are there. Okay, no problem. I hope you understood. ANSYS Pro Week, computer designing and manufacturing. Oh, in industry, CAD/CAM softwares are used. Computer designing, computer manufacturing. CAD/CAM. Oh, whatever the product we want to design, that one first in computers they are going to design. Afterwards, real manufacturing starts. Computer-aided designing and computer-aided manufacturing. I will show you the video.
Transforming part designs into reality requires a CAM package that has the capability to deal with the most complex of milled parts.
Now this machine is working according to the written program.
Has the fine level of control and flexibility required to
This
satisfy
is called as computer-aided. A program has been written for
high
it.
volume stock material removal.
Before the real manufacturing starts, you need to code. If you complete your engineering successfully, mechanical engineering, if you learn CNC coding and each and everything, then you will be appointed for such works.
To even out the load, reduce the wear, and increase the life of your tools. Effective stock management techniques minimize fresh air cutting, allowing the tool to continue.
Okay, that is what computer designing and manufacturing. Science and research. Computers are actively used by scientists and researchers for the purpose of research and development. For example, weather monitoring and forecasting. Medical. Computers are used by doctors to diagnose various diseases. I will show you. Computers used by doctors. Here means already you know MRI scan, CT scan. Here means machines plays very important role in the field of medical also. Can you imagine today's medical field without computers and without engineering contribution? Very difficult. Okay. Next, in the field of education, computers facilitates the students to get knowledge through different websites, undertaking e-learning courses, and to face online examination. Now I'll open your VTU website. I request each and everyone to type www.vtu.ac.in. Okay, then you get VTU website. You get VTU website. You need to wait for some time. Afterwards, we get the contents in Kannada as well as in English. Click on English. Then go for the menu. Okay, you can type here, otherwise you can type here search what are you look e-content C program for problem solving. Type the subject name on which you want to get the notes. Problem solving. Okay. E-lecture video I type, sorry, e-lecture video. Not able to search. Okay, student corner, then examination section, no. VTU, what department? Search academics. In academics, go for no, what VTU, where is it? Hello students, sorry, come back. Here in actually in VTU site we find the notes and lecture videos given by the experts. You can access and you can study it. For example, you need to type nptel.vtu.ac.in /e-content. I'll show you. You type, remember it, nptel.vtu.ac.in /e-content. You have to press enter. Then we get the home page here. Automobile engineering, basic courses, biotechnology, civil engineering, computer science and engineering. We get the list of all the branches here. Now all of it belongs to first year. No, click on basic courses. If you click on basic courses, we get the all subjects: basic electronics, and we have electrical engineering, computer concepts and C programming, programming in C and data structure, computer concepts and C programming lab, programming in C and data structures. You need to computer concepts and C programming. Click on any one of them. All these are same. Programming in C and data structures. I click. You need to wait. Here we get lecture videos also. Even you can, I request you to watch these videos. You get knowledge. Experts are created and already uploaded, and all these things are available in VTU website. I request each and everyone to make the best use of these things and prepare your own notes, and you can answer in examination. Even notes is also available. Even notes is also available. Click on this. Okay, building. Okay, now we can watch the videos like this. See here. These are the experts from the
I myself, Dr. Sridhar K.S., presently working as a professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, University BET College of Engineering, Davangere. Motherboards are all examples of related to the hardware component of a computer system. So let us understand. Then you require the output devices.
This is what we studied, the block diagram of a computer system. Like this,
that to be taken. It is not sufficient if we have only the primary memory.
Okay, this is what how to make the best utilization of a VTU website. Next, computers are used in business environment and communication purpose, entertainment, agricultural, banking and health. Means in today's class I completed features of computer as well as applications of computers, as well as I taught you how to access the e-content from VTU website. Okay, I request each and everyone to watch my lecture videos frequently, gain the knowledge. If you have any notes, please contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.